This headstone belongs to Gracie May Sanders. Gracie was born on January 17th, 1886, in Gainesville, Missouri. She was the fourth of 11 children born to Elisha Kane, or EK, and Rebecca Patrick Sanders. When Gracie was born, her father was 25 and her mother was 20. Gracie's father worked as a farmer, livestock dealer, and later in life he opened a store in Gainesville, Missouri called E.K. Sanders and Son. Her mother worked as a homemaker. Gracie May passed away on September 10th, 1899, at the age of 13. Including Gracie, Rebecca and E.K. would lose 4 of their 11 children at a young age. Their daughter Sarissa's date and year of passing are unknown, which probably means she was an infant. In 1900, a year after Gracie passed away, her brother Estelle would follow at the age of 9 months. Gracie's younger sister Theo would die due to pneumonia at the age of 28, much later in 1931. I was unable to find a death certificate or any information on Gracie's cause of death. In the year 1900, the 3 leading causes of death were pneumonia, tuberculosis, and enteritis. Combined with diphtheria, these illnesses accounted for 1/3 of all deaths, so one of these is more than likely what happened to Gracie and her siblings. Gracie is buried next to her parents, Patrick grandparents, her younger brother Estelle, and her niece Madge in Patrick's cemetery. The finger pointing upward on her headstone symbolizes the pathway to heaven and that the deceased found heavenly reward. Her epitaph at the top reads, "Gone home, at rest," and at the bottom, "Weep not, father and mother, for me, for I am waiting in glory for thee." Out of this family, I also cleaned EK and Rebecca's, Estelle's, and Madge's headstones. EK and Rebecca's video has already been posted, and Estelle's and Madge's will be posted soon. I did find a couple photos of Gracie May and her family. This first photo is Gracie with 2 of her sisters when she was a little girl. Gracie is in the middle. The photo was labeled from left to right, R.C. Effie, Gracie May, and Frona Elizabeth Sanders. This next photo is of Gracie with her parents and 6 of her 11 siblings. In the back row are R.C., Gracie, and Zoa. The middle row is Alaska, Rebecca holding Oscar, EK, and Frona. The boy in the very front is James. Zoa was the oldest child of EK and Rebecca. She is standing to the right of Gracie. 2 months after Gracie died, Zoa's daughter Madge Robbins passed away at the age of only 3 months. Zoa buried Madge next to her Aunt Gracie. Gracie looks much older in this photo, and it was probably the last one taken of her before she passed away. Here are my before and after shots of Gracie's headstone. Her headstone cleaned up really well. I took this after shot the same day that I cleaned it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.